Right now at 4, a history-making first on the Wisconsin Court of Appeals. Judge Pedro Colon is joining us live on 12 News at 4.
And Judge Colon, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. You're the first Latino judge to serve on the Wisconsin Court of Appeals. How does that feel?
Well, it's a tremendous professional accomplishment. Obviously, personally, it is an appointment for me, but it also has a lot of implications as it relates to my community and how it is that we are not only represented, but also how we impart sort of our community wisdoms to the overall scheme of justice for everyone in the city and the county of Milwaukee. So it's really exciting, and it's a huge achievement, at least for me. I remember the first time I went to the courthouse, and it just seemed so big and so unattainable. And to come from that, when I was about 15 years old, we were just talking about Summerfest and what it means to a 15-year-old. Well, the court was totally unachievable, but I've managed, and I'm here, and it's been a great ride.
And you said you wanted to bring a valuable perspective to the court. Can you elaborate on that?
Well, you know, we all come from different places. We all come from different backgrounds. But ultimately, what we have to create is a judicial system that speaks to all of us and speaks to all of us clearly, and that denotes sort of the rules of the road, if you will, in every kind of legal interreaction, with an understanding that that ultimately the law is for people to understand, for people to apply, for people to really thrive, and sort of those rules have to be conceived, I think, by all kinds of people that come from different backgrounds to sort of understand and create the kind of balance we want for everyone. I think we all want, everyone wants the same things. You want to succeed, you want to be safe, you want to transact as you will, and you want to be educated as you want. And I think the courts should have rules that apply to everyone in a way in which we can not only pursue our happiness, as the Constitution so well indicates, but also do it respectfully in a way that we don't harm each other and that we respect each other.
Based on your experience, maybe both professionally and personally, what would be your advice to up-and-coming judges or someone who's looking at you at home thinking this is unattainable?
Well, it is completely attainable, I can tell you that. I'm living proof of that one. But, you know, ultimately, it is not unlike your profession. It's something you find interesting, something you really find a fervor for, and you dive into it, and you do everything that guides you to the point where you're sitting at these chairs and we're sitting here today. And I think it's, for everybody, it's an independent road, but for everyone, it is attainable, and all you have to have is interest and pursue some kind of discipline applied to that interest, and I think it works out. So, you know, whoever wants to do this can do this. In fact, it was meant to be done by people all kinds of people. You know, the legal profession has undergone a lot of changes, but at the beginning, there weren't even, you know, state bar associations or anything of that sort. So it's really just a pursuit of words and ideas and fundamental principles that we should all be guided by.
All right. Your Honor, thank you so much. The Honorable Judge Pedro Colon, Milwaukee County Court of Appeals. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you guys for giving me the opportunity.
Absolutely.